Yo guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you a quick tutorial, a quick method for all the related like Valorant code errors like 19, Valorant 5, Valorant 45, Valorant 99. These kind of errors you can easily fix because these kind of issues appear when your internet is not stable or suddenly disconnectivity occur. So that's why you are facing these kind of issues sometimes. Network adapter drivers bugs. So in this video I'll show you all the methods what you can do. Actually, you can do a command prompt reset network, and don't worry, it will not like reset your all the internet or remove your Wi-Fi password, or even you need to restart your PC. Don't worry about this, it will not like that. You simply need to just launch this pad file. Simply I'm going here. Where is the folder? What the fuck, I just forget the folder. Okay, here is the folder and pad file. You can simply download it, link is given below in the description. Just run as administrator and it will solve all your issues. You can also apply one by one command, but it will take a lot of times and just waste of time. So simply you can see here, these are the commands. Actually, you can simply apply these commands one by one, or simply just run as administrator this, so it will solve your issues related to your network. I hope this video really helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to solve it for you. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.